guys, it's Kimbert2, and today I am here with Foo345, so I'm going to tell him to say hi. I am recording now. Yeah, he's really cool. You should buddy him, and yeah, he has a bunch of stuff and animals. I don't know what to say right now, as you can tell. Okay, let's go. What do you want to do? Ooh, we should go play Spider Zapper. Oh, I know. Let's go play Spider Zap. Come on, you can be fun. Okay, follow me. The thing is, whenever I play Spider Zapper with someone, I always take all the spiders, and they're like, "Aw, I didn't get any gems because you took all my spiders." It's like, good, they deserved it. Man, they deserved to die for their spiders. Okay, come here, dude. Come here. Dude, that's a creepy face. Like, once again, like, super creepy. Yay! Spider Zapper, Spider Zapper. Okay, you get that side and I get this side. You can't hear me, but oh well. You can read my... Okay, fine. Just pick whatever side you want then. Girl! Well, you get those two. Oh my gosh, they're so creepy and weird. Get it, get it. Oh no, I moved it. Oops. Oops, hold on. Oops. Sorry. I always seem to do that in one video. So I'm playing Spider Zapper because I'm trying to, like, kill him. Sorry, I just stole all of your spiders. I have really bad thing. I have to, like, win all the time. Like, no, man, that's mine. Ha. In your face. Just kidding, you're wonderful. Huh, you get that one. Get it, get it. Okay, good. Wow. Bam. Okay, you're gonna get it quick. Okay. For some reason I always like playing Spider Zapper because it's an easy way to get gems, like really fast. And look, all we need to get, we only need to get 10 and we got 40 something. 25. Okay, here we go. We can do this. We got 40 something last time. Oop. Thanks to me. Just kidding, you helped a lot. I got it. Wait, did we just switch sides? I don't think he even knows we're doing sides. Only I am. I keep on forgetting he can't hear me. It's so weird. It's like, trying to talk and he's like, oh wait, yeah, he can't hear me. It's weird. Ooh, 95 total gems. Nice. Waiting for other player. You gonna leave? Don't leave me. Just kidding. Hey guys, I was thinking of making a music video, but I don't know a good editor thing, so could you guys like leave one in the comments? That's really good. And I know about iMovie, but I don't have a Mac, so I'm not sure if I can get it without a Mac. Hurry, we can't let them live. Okay, I sound so cruel when I say that. They all must die. All of them. What? Okay, let's leave. This is boring. It's not boring. Pea shooter. Okay, hopefully he knows to exit. That was fun. That was fun. What should we play? What should we play next? What should we play next? What should we play next? I got to go do math. Okay. Bye. That was Foo345. Okay. So yes, what will we do now? Oh, I know. Let's just go, I know, let's customize a den. Yes. I love this song. Switch your den. Let's make like what should we make? I wanna make like a Starbucks, but no. Someone already made that and posted a video on it, so I can't. Let's make a Chipotle. Chipotle is my life. Chipotle is my life. Oh, this is not Chipotle music. Dude. Chipotle has the latest hits, man. This is not Chipotle music. No. Bam. No, I'm just kidding. No, that's boring. Bam! No, that's Chipotle. Chipotle's my life. Okay, First, let's make our, like, little tiny... Oh, no, I didn't mean to press that one. First, let's get our little tiny desks. So, yes. Hooray! Yeah, I played this song too much. I really like it, though. I can't find any of the right items. Okay. No, that's more Starbucks. Let's see here. What does Chipotle have? Since Chipotle is my life. Oh wait, I already have some tables. Lol. Lol, derp derp. Oh no, they don't have cookie tables at Chipotle. Pretty sure of that. Let's see, Oh, I guess I don't have any tables. That's odd. Because I have some in my other dens. So I don't know how I could not have some out here. Yeah, I do have. I have to have some. Right? Or am I just passing them all? Wall ivy, yeah, Chipotle is so fantabulous. They so have wall decorations. Like, yeah, just kidding. Not wall ivy, though. Okay, let's see. Okay, let's start with, like, oh, good for you. Okay, I'm gonna pause while I get my PC charger. Okay, guys, and I'm back, and oh yeah, I forgot I'm in edit mode. And I didn't buy it. I got my PC. Well, you know, this is, and we were making a Chipotle, right? Yeah, this is gonna be a modern day Chipotle with like a nice place where you can eat your burritos in front of a fire. Burritos from Chipotle. Cause Chipotle is my life. Okay, let's go buy some tables. Brown tile would be most appropriate for a Chipotle, wouldn't it? Wouldn't it? And it's lagging. Chipotles don't lag. Perfect. Perf. Oh, wait, what? Why is that out there? Chipotles don't have pizza. Or cake. Do they have cake? No, they don't. Do they? No, I don't think they do. Okay. Let's see here. What do we have here? For a table. A tablet. Sorry. I really like this one. Okay. Looks like they don't have a lot of the stuff that they used to have. Oh, what's this? Mechanical table. Does it like... I think I know what this does. Chipotle's gonna be like a nice purpley color. 100th den item. Hooray. Let's celebrate good times. Come on. Just kidding. Everyone has this already. I'm surprised I don't. Dude, if I have 170 den items, how is that my 100th den item? Mechanical table, and I think if you click it, it goes out. 1 second. Let's check that. Yep, perfect. Well, let's just like switch it that way. And then we can just like move it. Bam! We got our little desk for when people want to order. Hooray, Chipotle. You need like 2 of those, so I'm gonna buy another one. I am like such den guru, such yes. Okay, let's just go back. Okay, now that you have your 2, oh, they're 2 different colors. Oh well, it's fashion, man. Hurry up. Okay. Okay, now let's just like, bam, bam. Now you can like sit here and take people's orders like, hello, what would you like? Chipotle. Okay, then we're gonna add our little tiny tables. Like our tables where people sit in Chipotle. Because Chipotle's awesome. Okay, we're gonna buy some diner stools. Okay. Oh, my dog's barking. My dog is barking. So annoying. Okay. Wait, I forgot I need to buy tables. Oops. Oops. Hurry up. Okay, thank you. Okay, now let's just go buy some tables. Dun 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 dun, fabulous. Be quiet, my dog is ruining this video. Now I'm gonna buy about 3 of these tables. 5, 2, 3. Okay? Trust me on this, I'm a fashion guru. Gucci, Versace. Sorry. Lag. The lag life. Boop. You don't want it to be all cluttery, so yeah. It's gonna be about, then we can have like an outdoor table for those fancy schmancy schmances. Okay, so we need tiny diner stools. If we have 1, 2, 3, we have 5. I need to buy another one then. Boop. There, and then they can add their own seats, like they can drag one from the other table over. And yeah, they can do that. I'm not gonna do it for them because I'm the manager. Managers don't like doing stuff. Well, that's not necessarily true, but this manager doesn't, because this manager's lazy. Because who doesn't like being lazy? Stay in your pajamas all day? Best thing ever. Diner stools. We have 1 more. Okay, here we go. There. Okay. And now we have, after this exits out, because it's lagging. Hurry up, please. Of course, the lag life. I don't care if it's not responding, just make it respond. Okay, I'm gonna be right back. Okay guys, I'm back with our little Chipotle den. But I had to like I had to pause it because it was weird. I said I didn't have Flash Player, but then I just exited out of the tab and then went back in and then it was all fine. It was weird. But yes, now we have our little Chipotle. Nice little chairs, seatings, everything, because Chipotle is my life. In case you didn't know that. Oh, Freedom Party, cool. Anyway, guys, thank you for watching, and leave a like, comment, and subscribe. And a Chipotle is my life. Thank you guys for watching. This is Kimbert 2. Bye.